Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create the Ali Abdaal paper unfold effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, search a crumpled paper green screen on Google and download a high version quality. Then, drag a Fusion composition into your timeline to start working with nodes. Now inside the Fusion, drag in your background image or video and connect it to Media Out. Then bring in the crumpled paper green screen and connect it to your Media In node. With the crumpled paper selected, press Ctrl plus space and search for 3D Keyer and add it. Then, use the dropper tool to select and remove the green screen background. To refine the edges, increase the clean black to 100 and set in and out ratio to negative 100. Now go back to Edit page and right-click on your Fusion clip and create a new compound clip. And to clean up any remaining black areas, add another 3D Keyer and remove them using Dropper tool. And that's it. That's how you create a paper unfold effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.